Lee, what's up?
Oh shoot, there's
What
nothing.
happened?
A snake.
Are you sure, Lee? I was touching it. This was nothing.
I was just joking, Marie. Calm down. Sorry. I'm so sorry. You need some water?
No.
There's a snake right
Sorry,
there.
Jimbo. I think it's the water, Jimbo.
A snake.
I know.
Nothing. I'm just joking. Oh my God, Marie. Did you get scared?
Yes.
Girl,
You
guys,
scare me.
I
Oh
got-
my
I
God.
got
you
her.
Really? You.
I'm playing it.
You got me.
I'm
You got me.
sorry.
Look, I don't even drink water
I'm
and everything. And then look, bam, you scare me. I need sugar.
Marie, I'm sorry. High five. Sorry.
Three trees. Please help me.
Oh my God, guys. Nakuha ko na naman siya. This is Marisela and I got her. We're just serious doing something here and I got her scared.
She got me.
Calm down.
I know.
Calm down.
I feel good.